Okay guys, so let me show you how to install our livery mod. On our Discord we got a channel called Project Cars 2 Livery Mod News. Normally in the pinned messages there are the links for the latest versions of the mod, and you just click on it, go to Google Drive and download the format which you prefer, the RAW version or the zip version. I downloaded the raw version because I got WinRAR, so here it is. The only thing you have to do, you open WinRAR and unpackage all those files into your Project Cars main folder, like I do here. So I copy them all. Yep, just overwrite it. Wait a quick second until it's processed by the computer. Yeah, this takes a fair bit because it's like zero point 0.5 gigabytes large, as far as I know. Just have to wait until it's finished. So yeah, already can prepare. Forward. Yeah, good. Because when it's done, you have to. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Then you have to go to your Project Cars main folder. Look for the JSGME program started. There it is. Okay. I started it already. So we clicked on our GZR GT3 Championship liveries and enable select module. Then just me runs a short program, loads all those files into the game. This also takes a fair bit of time. And now we're done. Then we can go to Steam, open Project Cars, and wait until Cars has opened. Cars really done with the loading. And then we can go to the custom liveries, or let's look to our GT3 liveries. Select one car. This car is for Factory livery that I know. And here we go. That's my livery for the Mercedes, but I'm not using it. So also here's the other livery, and here's another livery. It's not only the Mercedes who is custom liveries. For example, the Lamborghini should also have one. Oh, it has three. Yeah. Oops. Good. Yeah. And you have multiple liveries for one single car, and you can use them all in the online mode. So, thank you.